We are offering you QualCert Level 3 Diploma in Civil Technology. This course is designed to provide you with the foundational knowledge and practical skills needed to excel in the field of civil technology. Throughout this course, you'll explore a comprehensive range of topics crucial to civil technology, from understanding construction principles to mastering advanced technical skills. Each module is crafted to ensure you develop a robust understanding of the field. At QualCert, we blend theoretical knowledge with hands-on practice. Our experienced instructors will guide you through real-world scenarios, ensuring you're well prepared for the challenges ahead. By the end of this course, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of civil technology and the practical skills needed to excel in this field. Mandatory units of this qualification are Advanced Structural Engineering, Transportation Engineering, Project Management and Construction, Site Management and Supervision, Specialization Modules, Advanced CAD and Software Applications, Sustainable Construction Practices, Ethics and Professionalism in Civil Technology, Career Development Workshops, Emerging Technologies in Civil Engineering. This course is ideal for graduates of Level 2 Civil Technology programs, experienced construction professionals, career changers with relevant backgrounds, engineers and technicians aiming for advancement, aspiring specialization, international students seeking advanced education, adult learners and lifelong learners, future academics. What is the duration of this course? The duration of the QualCert Level 3 Diploma in Civil Technology can vary depending on the specific program and training provider. Typically, such diplomas require around 1 to 2 years of study. All QualCert certifications and awards are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest QualCert approved center. Visit our website at www.qwalcerts.co.uk for more qualifications and information.